Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of how to check email on Google Workspace. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google Workspace. Click on Next to delve deeper into your Google Workspace environment, where all your productivity tools are neatly organized. Now for the magical part, accessing your email. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and locate the square dots icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. This small grid, when clicked, expands into a larger menu displaying various Google services at your disposal. Within this menu, find and click on the iconic Gmail, unmistakably represented with its envelope logo. This action will redirect you straight to your Gmail dashboard. But there's one more step to complete our journey. To view all your received messages, click on Inbox. This will display all your emails, neatly organized and ready for your attention. Whether you're sorting through important work emails, reading the latest newsletter, or catching up with a friendly hello from a distant friend, everything will be conveniently located right here in your inbox. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide to checking your email in Google Workspace. Familiarizing yourself with these steps can significantly enhance your efficiency and ensure you're always on top of your communication, no matter where you are. Whether you're a busy professional, constantly on the move, or someone who prefers a neat, organized approach to digital life, Google Workspace's Gmail has you covered.